train yards, thinking about graveyards. Wonder, Lord, what would they ever write on mine? Another soul laid to rest on a cold Montana morning, just trying to make it north of 49.
Well guys, it's been 3 days, so we're gonna pull this Comstock up and see if my choice to put this thing in here paid off or not. So let's set you up. Nope. No luck. Well, my quest to catch this beaver continues. So, not sure why I didn't want to go into this one. We had it right in perfect in his trail there, but we gotta pull this because it's going down to -20 here by Monday, and I won't be back till Tuesday, so pulling that out because I don't want to be chiseling this sucker out every day. But figure it was worth a try. So yeah, this is a smart little bugger that's in here. So, but yeah, oh well, worth a shot. Hey guys, so we're back at this bait here. It's been pretty quiet the last couple checks, so wasn't much to video here, but yeah. So it's been 3 days now. And we'll see what's going on. And again, if there's nothing here, we'll scrap this video too, but I didn't see any ravens or anything pop up, which was good. It's nice because there's not many snares here. It's all close together, so I can actually walk around this with you guys. I'm really shocked these snares over here haven't caught anything, but and then this week's actually supposed to dip down pretty cool again. So might actually have some luck coming up here. Yeah, we got one snare here that's knocked down. The spring's set off. I see that snare's tilted right up. So, look over here. That snare's knocked down. What the heck happened here? This is a long way to come to not catch anything. I don't know if that was the wind that blew that up or what's going on. Okay. So there's that one. I'm gonna need both hands to reset that one there, but same thing with this guy knocked down. I don't know what the heck. Not really sure what happened here. The spring's still set. It's just the snare's thrown off to the side, so. I don't know, that's kind of odd. Guess I'll have to go through every one of these snares and check them. I was just thinking this was about to be a wasted trip, but we got one. So, unfortunately, one with shoulder mites, but still one. So, let's go see if there's not many snares left here to go through. That one's been my most productive snare on this site. And we got this guy here, which isn't good because it's caught up on a stick. Something just like that is what we need. And we got one on a tree. Oh, over that way. And nothing there, but the loops kind of twist off the side. So, yeah, well, just one. So, we'll take it. Okay guys, so got a coyote here, gonna turn it. You can see the rip is all the way here, goes down, so it's about, I don't know, call it about 14, 15 inches maybe a little bit bigger. But let's turn it and see what it looks like. So yeah, pretty big cut on that thing. So this was a bird damaged one. And again, the actual hole itself was probably only about maybe 6 inches, but you have to cut that diamond shape in the hide to get it to close up really nicely so it blends. Okay, so the tear is on this side, and you can actually see right there. Just gonna take the brush and brush it basically in every direction Try and get those mats out of there. Okay, and I haven't washed this hide. I didn't do any washing on it at all. So that's where the cut is on it again. Let's put it on the board. I'm not sure exactly which side it was on now because it's blending in perfect, but so I haven't washed this, I haven't tumbled it. You just seen me turn it. I think the cut was on this side. I'm pretty sure it was on this side, but you cannot see it. Oh, I don't know, we'll flip it over and look at this side too, but it has disappeared. So, and you gotta remember that cut was from like here to here. So, the only spot I could possibly see is maybe right here where I haven't brushed it out nice enough. But if you really wanted to make it perfect, yeah, I can see a little bit of blood right there. So if you wanted to make it perfect, all you'd have to do is wash the hide or tumble it, and that would be 150% gone. But going to the auction, nobody will ever notice that. So I just went from a bad bird damaged hide to a perfectly good hide just by sewing it up like that. So that's what you can do. You can do this with mange, you can do it with bullet holes, you can do it with bird damage. If you're allowed to pick up roadkill and use them, that sort of thing, if they have a little damage like that, no problem. And coyotes, you can do it in fox, but a little bit short-haired. Same with coon. But coon, you're shipping with the leather out, so they're going to see your sewing anyway. So generally, it's the stuff that you ship fur out. Wolf, it would work really well in as well. Fisher, otter, you're not going to be able to do it, that sort of thing, just because the fur is so short. And again, otters shipped with fur in. But your fisher, marten, anything like that that's short-haired fur out, not going to work. Just for the long-haired animals. So that's kind of my tips for you. I'll try and do a good long video for you guys at some point and show you actually how I cut it out and the shape and everything. But that's all we got for this one. Thanks for watching.